high for tomorrow was 85, which last occurred in 1994, and the record low is 27. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm located near St. Francis, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A special marine